This is a crazy video right here. Wind can be so powerful, bro. Ooh, dang! Imagine if somebody was right there. Look at this. Wind is very powerful. Mother Earth is powerful. Wow. PG's all in the air, falling on people. State Farm ain't gonna cover that.
Damn.
Nothing. Oh my God.
Watch it!
Oh my God. Never get nothing like this. Whoa. Oh, concussion.
Look at these. Look at all these.
Wow. Oh. Nationwide on your side. Oh. Man, took the fence. What's that, a hurricane? Twisted tornado? What's that? I am fascinated by lightning videos. I love when lightning is caught on camera. I don't know why. What about it? But I like it. Here we go. Oh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Right before you hop in the water. Crazy. Amazing. Wow. That would have scared me too. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, fuck it, yo.
Crazy.
God,
Got it.
Wow.
Wow. Whoa, like a missile. Wow. Crazy. I love lightning, man. I love lightning. It's like God at work, you know?